to be more. Been here before. Life's better on Saturn. Got to
So you guys, my flowers, they're so nice.
Nice to meet you. I'm sorry, I'm just here to do.
Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Jasmine. I'm a registered behavior technician and I give upcoming RBTs different tips and tricks on how to pass the exam and my life after the exam. If you're new to my channel, please like this video, comment some more videos you want to see, and join me on the road to a BCB. Yay!
That's a long intro.
This apartment video is long overdue. I tried to get as much content as I could. I was sick, literally. The whole entire time I was moving. In summer classes I just started too, so it was a lot going on. So you guys, my flowers, they're so nice. But anyways guys, it's been a minute since I posted a video, but we are getting back into it, posting weekly. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
There's another universe. Please make some noise. Give me a sign. This can't be life if there's a point to losing love, repeating pain. It's all the same. I hate this place, stuck in this paradigm. Don't believe in paradise. This must be when hell is like this. Got to be more, got to
About to put the bed together. The cord is missing from my light, so I gotta call maintenance for that because it's supposed to be one of those on there. But I'm about to put the bed together right now. We'll see y'all when we make more progress. All right, y'all, so much later, I'm officially all the way moved in. I'm cooking some food right now. Got some chicken, cornbread, green beans. I'll make mashed potatoes. I got this box spring right here, this long box spring. And I got a queen bed frame right here. So he's gonna set that up. And I'm just gonna prop y'all up so y'all can see him set it up. Cause I don't think I'm gonna help him. Also got some curtains, shower curtain too. So we're gonna put that up together. But I might do my bathroom tomorrow, so.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me.
We're back in 4K. All right, let's do the bathroom right quick. So this is the first thing I got. This thing. Oh.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's some me time. You know what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's some me time. I don't know if you know what you want.
This is not the universe. Please make some noise. Give me a sign. This can't be life. If there's a point to losing love, repeating pain, it's all the same. I hate this place, stuck in this paradigm. Don't believe in paradise.
Hey y'all, so it's me. It's much later after that video. I have been officially moved in for about a month now, so y'all are just now getting this content, but I'm editing right now and I'm also doing some homework and doing some field work hours for work. I am in my last week of summer classes, so, and I'm also offering tutoring for the RBT exam. So if you want to pass the RBT exam on your first attempt, reach out to me for a tutoring session and you will pass on your first attempt. Also reach out to me on TikTok at jazz.rbt and my Instagram is jazz.rbt. Thank you guys for watching this apartment video. I know it was kind of all over the place, but moving day is very hectic.
I'm into you.